Welcome to this stunning custom-built home by HDH Enterprises, proudly located in the desirable Lakeshores subdivision. Built in 2021, this home showcases exceptional craftsmanship and thoughtful design at every turn. Step inside to discover a bright, open concept layout where high cathedral ceilings and quality finishes create a truly inviting space. The kitchen, dining, and living areas flow seamlessly together, perfect for entertaining friends or enjoying cozy nights in. The primary suite offers the perfect retreat, featuring a dual vanity, walk-in closet, and all the comforts you could ask for. And when it's time to unwind, step out to your covered back patio and take in the peaceful views of the water. An ideal spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Every detail in this home reflects quality and care, from the Anderson 400 series windows to the modern design throughout. Located just minutes from local amenities, schools, and parks, this move-in ready home combines small-town charm with modern convenience. Experience comfort, elegance, and craftsmanship, all right here at Lakeshores in Decatur. Call Rob Thomas for all the details of this beautiful home.